Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindanos, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the authentic AMD blue screen error that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. And then click mo lang itong open. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung display adapters. So i-select mo lang itong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update yung kanyang drivers. Okay? So select mo lang itong drivers and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then select lang natin tong search automatically for drivers and then click lang natin yan. And then wait natin. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. In hope na na-resolve yung problem. If the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then sinig mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na sfc/scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then next step, press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito yung beginning a system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications piece of system scan. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step na ating gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So click mo lang ito and then select mo lang dito yung restart. Yeah, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix authentic AMD.sys BSOD or blue screen error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.